So I'm here to see an architecturally designed house that's been reimagined throughout. Come on. From the outside, this looks like a classic Victorian terrace here on Grove Road in Walthamstow Village. But it's far from ordinary. But step inside and you realise this home has been completely reimagined. The entire house has been rebuilt with thoughtful architectural approach, creating a layout that's far from traditional. It's calm, curated, and full of clever design touches, which all come together to create something really special here in Walthamstow Village. And again, one of the things that I think particularly unique about this house is how you step down into what feels like a sunken living area. It gives the house a certain feel. It's like I'm in a different house almost. And then obviously you can take full advantage here of the internal courtyard. Huge oversized pivot door, which is specifically designed for this space. And it just opens really smoothly and simply. It's just almost weighs nothing at all. So the moment you walk in, you can immediately feel the flow of the space. This isn't just a renovation project. It's been completely reimagined throughout. The proportions, the light, the way each space moves into the next. It all feels completely considered. And then as you move through the house, you start noticing all these clever little design touches, architectural moments, the way the light moves through the property during the day. It's a very special home. And again, now we're in the principal suite and there's further architectural design touches. For example, a pocket door. This sliding door completely disappears behind the wall. It's a sunken skylight, so it's completely seamless and rimless. It doesn't have any edges at all, so it means you can get maximum amount of glass, which obviously means maximum amount of light to come through. But not only that, but it's also seamless with the external tiles. So from the outside, you don't see the window at all, it just looks like roof. And again, despite the fact that we're actually in the loft space here, we have original reclaimed floorboards up here. So just a few minutes walk from the property, you've got Walthamstow Village and Orford Road. Countless coffee shops, the Castle pub, the Queen's Arms, you've got loads going on, restaurants, but you're also a stone's throw from the Beulah Road Gallery behind me.